Thanks very much and good morning, and thank you, Kate, for a very inspiring speech, and I can only agree with everything she said from my own experience with my partner as well. I'm one of the 1.2 million carers that's caring for someone who has dementia. My partner Chris was diagnosed in 2007 at age 56 with younger onset dementia. However, he had issues around 2 years previously, particularly with word finding, short-term memory, organisation and following instructions and processes. As Ita mentioned, prior to his diagnosis, he was a successful and articulate teacher. However, when his employer recognised that something was wrong and suggested that he see his doctor, our lives changed dramatically. Although cognitive testing demonstrated that Chris had significant memory problems, he was originally diagnosed with depression. The doctor explained to us, "We don't like to diagnose young people with Alzheimer's," and it took a further 10 months to receive a proper diagnosis. During this time, Chris was unable to access proper treatment, support or plan for his future. This wouldn't happen with any other disease. Sadly for many, diagnosis is a real issue. And as been mentioned previously, a report prepared for Alzheimer's Australia showed an average of over 3 years for diagnosis. Many people don't even get a proper diagnosis, as there is a perception that nothing can be done and it's a normal part of ageing.